Very great news comes from Microsoft. Microsoft closes with valuation above $2 trillion, becoming second US company to reach that mark after Apple. Company announces new Windows operating system Thursday. Apple notched a $2 trillion valuation for the first time in August, is now worth more than $2.2 trillion. The software maker first hit that level just after Tuesday, June 22, but dipped below that mark again before ending Thursday's trading session at $266.69 per share. The milestone follows the company's unveiling of Windows 11, its first new version of the flagship operating system in more than 5 years, on Thursday morning. Second news comes from launching Jeff Bezos into space is a leap too far for insurers. Jeff Bezos plans to fly into space soon. No one willing to insure him. Amazon CEO Bezos, a lifelong space enthusiast, has been vying to become the first billionaire to fly beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Launching one of the richest individuals on Earth into orbit has proved a leap too far for insurers, who are not ready to price the risk of losing Jeff Bezos or his fellow space travelers. Amazon CEO Bezos, a lifelong space enthusiast, has been vying with Elon Musk and Richard Branson to become the first billionaire to fly beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Insurance Information Institute spokesperson Michael Barry said, "Space tourism involves significant risk, but is not an issue life insurers specifically ask about as yet because it is so rare for anyone to travel into space." And once again, investor Warren Buffett gives away $4.1 billion more to charity. Regarded as the world's most successful investor, the Berkshire Hathaway chairman has given away huge sums of his wealth to charity. Buffett also announced his resignation as a trustee of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The donation takes him halfway to meeting a 2006 pledge to give all of his Berkshire Hathaway shares to 5 organizations, including the Gates Foundation. Buffett has 238,624 Berkshire shares remaining. Next very great news come from Nike. Nike shares jump as sales nearly double. Nike shares jumped 4.9% in after hours trading after the sneaker giant reported sales for the May quarter that nearly doubled from the year-ago period, when the spread of COVID-19 closed stores and depressed results. Sales increased to $12 billion from $6 billion a year ago and beat analysts' consensus estimates of $11 billion. Nike's direct sales climbed 73% to $4.5 billion. The company reported a profit of $1.51 billion for the quarter ended May 31, compared with a loss of $790 million in the year-earlier period. Asia's richest man, Indian tycoon Mukesh Ambani, unveiled an ambitious push into clean energy involving $10 billion of investment over 3 years. Reliance Industries will spend over $10 billion on adding giga-size clean energy knowledge and manufacturing verticals to its diversified business empire over the next 3 years, tossing a challenge at energy rivals and preparing for the future by further delinking the conglomerate's fortunes from oil prices. A very sad news comes from South Africa about Bitcoin scam. South African brothers disappear along with $3.6 billion in Bitcoin. The founders of South Africa's largest cryptocurrency exchange have vanished, along with nearly $3.6 billion in Bitcoin, after telling investors the exchange had been hacked. A Cape Town law firm, hired by affected investors, says it cannot find the founders of AfriCrypt. The firm has warned crypto exchanges around the world to be on the lookout should anyone try to sell the digital currency on their platforms. Ford loses Chief Technology Officer to Amazon in industry battle over talent. Ford Motor is losing its Chief Technology Officer to Amazon, marking an ongoing talent battle between the automotive and technology industries. Ford confirmed Thursday that CTO Ken Washington, who joined Ford from Lockheed Martin in 2014, will be leaving the Detroit automaker. He will join Amazon as Vice President of Software Engineering in Sunnyvale, California, according to an internal employee memo provided by Ford. That's it. Please do subscribe this channel for more business news and updates. Have a good time. See you in the next video.